Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 active, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button, and then you can press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on the icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called the reset, and of course once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though, if you reset your watch to the factory default settings, you will lose all of your data and the settings on from your watch basically. So if you don't want to lose the stuff, don't reset the watch to the factory default settings. Now tap on the check mark and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.